Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing today? Yes, I just want to go through this post, a kind of reaction, but just for you to hear what Shehu Kuti said, based on the fact that Kwara State, is gone and gone for forever, because Fulani have taken over Kwara State. It is not a news though, but I want you to hear what he said about Yoruba Muslims with Afonja. All right. So Kwara State is no longer, in the hands of Yoruba people. And not only that, there's a rumor that your state is also at the verge of taking over as well in this Tinubu's regime. But what will interest you is the reaction of Shehu Kuti about it. I don't even know that Yoruba Muslims are saying what he revealed here, that they don't want to associate themselves with Northern Muslim and all that. I was like, wow, really? I thought you guys are very, very good friends and there's no problem going on. Only Igbo people is not accommodating, like they would normally say, which there's no justification to that because you have not been to Igbo land. You just live in your own part and you concluded that Igbo land, the Igbos don't appreciate or they don't welcome people. Very, very funny. I'm not here for that. You anybody have right to say what they want to say, but the truth will always remain. Now, Kwara State is not in Yoruba land, is not in Yoruba hands now, but it originally belonged to Yoruba people. But they have lost it to Fulani, which is very, very shocking. Now, Shehu Kuti did not find it funny. He has something to say about it, and we're gonna go through that. Okay, on the course of this video, just pay attention so that you will hear what he said. We're gonna play it direct from this guy, cause it's the Observer page. I don't appreciate his work though, but let's do that because the video belongs to Shehu Kuti, not him. My brother, you are talking about a lorry when Tinubu is already negotiating or you're with Fulani. That's from Citizen Observer, but focus on what I don't know how true that is. That Tinubu is negotiating your state with Fulani already. I don't know about it. I don't know how true is that. I don't believe it either. But if you're a person that watching this video, please, if you don't mind, share with us what is going on in your state. Now, the question from Shehu Kuti to Yoruba Muslims will interest you. Let's start from the beginning. But before then, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you take and let me know your stand on that. Do you agree or disagree? Well, let's go there.
Why is Ilori a Muslim? Why does Ilori have emir? If Yoruba Muslims are so innocent, if Yoruba Muslims are so innocent, how did the Yoruba people lose Ilori to Islam, to the Islamists? Why is there an emir? It is not people. We are give us Ilori back. It is not people. Remove your emir from Ilori. Why is the emir still in Ilori? Don't you know that Ilori is Yoruba land? Why is your emir still there? Can you remove your emir from Ilori, please? After you put Southwest 2 times, you try to exterminate us. We defeated you in battle. You are not using our victory against you that subdued you. The Yoruba traitors that went with Afonja and the Muslims. You want me to tell you your stories, Yoruba Muslims? You want to know your story? That you are the ones that went with Afonja, fought behind Afonja with the Muslims to try and destroy Yoruba land on behalf of Islam and Northerners that you all gather here today. All Muslims who gather around and be saying, we want to remove ourselves from Northern. And when you are the people that brought Islam into our lives, try to steal everything we have for the Northerners, the Yoruba Muslims. Why are Yoruba Muslims not like the Northern Muslims? Because we kicked your ass. We beat the living daylight out of you. We beat you very well. That till today, misbehave. We beat you very well. That's why Yoruba Muslims cannot misbehave. They understand what it means to try and fail. That's why you don't do anything. Don't act like you are better than the Northern Muslims. They're not better. You just don't have the clout. You don't have the power. You don't have the numbers. Play that your game here. So Yoruba Muslims, be quiet while I'm talking to your Northern brothers. You are the same as them. Go to learning and see the way you behave there. What we learn that cut these people, they just catch you on the street. Say because you have Afro. Why will you have Afro? Islam is a problem. You have to address it. Anyway, let me read from the Quran. So the not from the Quran, but translations. Let me read translations from the Quran. what this God thinks of us. The unbelievers, the infidels, the kafirs. I mean, how can these people say you are when you have this kind of words to describe people that don't agree with you? Infidel. I mean, that one too is not in the Quran. There's a politics, there's a game here. We, the people, are trapped in the middle. Arabic imperialists, European imperialists. Everybody siphoning, stealing, drawing quicker. Using African people as a scapegoat. It is the same whether or not you forewarn them, the unbelievers. They will have no faith. Quran 2, chapter 6. God will mock them, keep them. God will mock them and keep them long in sin, blundering blindly along. 2:15. A fire whose fuel is men and stones awaits them. Quran 2:24. They will be rewarded with disgrace in this world and with grievous punishment on the day of resurrection. Quran 2:85. God's curse be upon the infidels. Quran 2:89. They have incurred God's most inexorable wrath and ignominious punishment awaits them. Quran 2:90. God is the enemy of the unbelievers. Quran 2:98. The unbelievers among the people of the book, Christian and Jews, that is, and the pagans, we resent that any blessing should have been sent down to you from your Lord. Quran 2:105. They shall be held up to shame in this world and sternly punished in the hereafter. Quran 2:114. Those to whom we have given the book and who read it as it ought to be read, truly believe in it. Those that deny it shall assuredly be lost. Quran 2:122. We shall let them live a while. See, this is tolerance. This is the tolerance they talk about. Listen to it. We shall let them live a while, and then shall drag them to the scourge of the fire. That's why they burn people. Evil shall be their fate. Now before I continue, let me continue. Let me keep giving you gems upon gems. People keep saying how beautifully these holy books are written. I read them, I've read the Bible, there's nothing beautiful about what's in the Bible, full of genocide, lies, manipulation, ego. You understand? This is what is in there. Let's continue. Fighting is obligatory for you, much as you dislike it, but you may hate a thing although it is good for you, and love a thing although it is bad for you. God knows, but you know not. Quran 2:16. They will not cease to fight against you until they force you to renounce your faith, if they are able. But whoever of you recants and dies an unbeliever, his work shall come to nothing in this world and in the world to come. Such men shall be the tenants of hell, wherein they shall abide forever. Those that have embraced the faith and those that have fled their land and fought for the cause of God may hope for God's mercy. 2:17-18. God does not guide the evildoers. God does not guide the unbelievers. The evildoers, we have none to help them. God guidance. So when you fight everywhere, fight. Yet you are a religion of peace. As I said, the only way there can be peace, where the religious Islamists and even the Christians are, is if everybody believes in their faith. If you think I am lying, go and be an Ifa worshipper in a company where the MD goes to Redeem Church. Go and look at a company where the MD is in Redeem. All the people there that will be doing well will be in Redeem Church. It is the same. It is just that the political clouds that gave the Christians the power to bomb people just like these Muslims has been removed. You just don't have the political clouds, not because you don't want to do it. How many women go to market in this Lagos just because they wear miniskirts in Lagos? Miniskirts in 2020. They will beat them up in the market. Why are they beating them? Religious morality.
All right, that is the message. I would like to know what you think about it because I don't want the video to be too long, to be honest with you. What is your take on this? Do you agree or disagree? Please let me know in the comment section. Like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. God bless you. Bye-bye for now.